Hi everyone, welcome back to the site. Today we are talking about a big debate in the building industry, the modern hidden roof versus the traditional hip roof. We've all seen the traditional roof. It's the design we grew up with and it served us well for decades. But recently, you've noticed a change. The hidden roof is taking over, making homes look sleek, modern, and high-end. But the question is, which one is actually the best? Which one should you prefer for your own home? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. If you're new to the channel, we are Umek Real Estate Construction Services Limited. We are a building design and construction company in Nigeria with a vision to simplify building projects and help you bring your dream home to reality. If you want to see how this project turns out, make sure you tap the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive into the video. This is a 5-bedroom duplex with a penthouse in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. We are currently roofing, and this client wants a hidden roof, and we are working tirelessly to ensure we give our clients the best. People often think a roof is just about the metal sheets you see on top, but the real secret to a roof that doesn't sag or leak is in the structure underneath. That's why we've just taken delivery of these high-grade timbers. You can see the truck here delivering our wood. When you're doing a hidden roof, you aren't just using any wood you find in the market. We use solid seasoned 2x3 Purlins and 2x4 Rafters because a hidden roof needs a rigid, rock-solid wooden skeleton to keep it perfectly leveled and supported. You've seen the materials arrive, but how are we putting them together? For this 5-bedroom duplex and penthouse, we aren't just nailing wood together. We are building a frame that will last a lifetime. We are using 2x4 rafters as the main support structure and 2x3 Purlins across the top to create the grid that holds our roofing sheets. Even though it's a hidden roof, it is never actually 100% flat. It needs a subtle, calculated slope. We want that water flowing exactly where we want it, straight to the drainage points. The secret is the spacing. By keeping our intervals tight, we ensure that the roof won't sag under the weight of rain or debris. Now, pay attention to this. Before a single sheet of zinc touches this frame, we make sure the wood is treated. At Umek Real Estate Construction Services Limited, we know that if we get this frame and the treatment right, the rest of the roof will be solid. We aren't just building for today. We are building for the next 20, 30, even 50 years. Now to the big debate in the building industry, the modern hidden roof versus the traditional hip roof. You've seen the classic houses with the high triangle-shaped roof. We call that a hip roof. But now everyone wants that modern, clean look with a hidden roof. So, what's the difference? Let's break it down in plain language. Why people are choosing hidden roofs today. More money in your pocket. Building a high triangle-shaped roof is expensive. You need a lot of wood and a lot of roofing sheets to cover that height. A hidden roof is simpler and uses less material, which saves you money upfront. The modern aesthetic. The hidden roof is the definition of a 2026 masterpiece. It gives the building that clean, boxy, high-end profile that makes your house stand out as a modern premium duplex. Simpler maintenance access. A hidden roof framed with timber is much safer to inspect because it's not steeply sloped. You don't need to be a professional climber just to get up there and check on things. It's safer and easier to maintain. Unmatched design flexibility. The hidden roof design allows us to hide the roof behind a parapet wall, that wall going around the top. This makes the house look like a solid, well-defined cube, which is much harder to achieve with a traditional hip roof that hangs over the edges. Why some people still love the old school hip roof. The water master. Because the roof is so steep, water runs off it extremely fast. You don't have to worry about water sitting on top because gravity does all the work for you. Cooler interiors. That high attic space acts like a buffer between the hot sun and your ceiling. It traps heat and lets it escape, which can keep your rooms a bit cooler during the afternoon sun. Classic beauty. For some, that traditional shape is just what home is supposed to look like. It's a timeless design that never goes out of style. And now, the final piece of the puzzle. We've built the frame, we've treated the timber, and now we're laying down the roofing sheets. You'll notice we pay close attention to the overlaps and the fastening. With a hidden roof, the way these sheets meet is critical. We ensure every sheet is locked in tight, using the right fasteners to make sure not a single drop of water can find its way under the surface. We aren't rushing this, we're sealing it. So, which one is better? Honestly, it depends on your taste. If you want a modern, multi-purpose home that saves you money on construction, you go with a hidden roof. If you want that classic look with natural cooling, you go with a hip roof. At Umek Real Estate Construction Services Limited, our job is to help you decide which one fits your vision. For this house, the client wanted that modern premium feel. So we went with a hidden roof and we ensured it's built with the best waterproofing in the business to keep it dry for a lifetime. I hope this clears up the confusion for you. If you're planning your own projects and you're stuck on the design, drop a comment below and let me know. Are you a fan of the hidden roof or do you prefer the classic hip roof? If you found this site walkthrough helpful, do us a favor, tap that like button. It really helps other people find the channel. And if you don't want to miss how we finish this penthouse or the final reveal of this duplex, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now. We are Umek Real Estate Construction Services Limited. We don't just build houses, we bring your dream home to reality, one milestone at a time. If you're planning your own project and need a team that focuses on quality, transparency, and engineering that lasts, check the link in our description to reach out to us. Thanks for joining me on site today. I'll see you in the next video.